What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best budget wireless headphones in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're in pursuit of the absolute top bang for the buck, look no further than the Anker Soundcore Life Q20. This device gets to kick off our list for today as the best value budget wireless headphones available on the market in 2021. These puppies sound great and are the best you can ask at this price. They boast a balanced sound, solid clarity, and rich bass. One of the cool features is a bass boost mode called Bass Up. The item is comfortable to use, noise reduction is acceptable, and call-making performance is efficient. Weighing just 9.3 ounces, the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 headphones come with an adjustable padded headband with collapsible ear cups that rotate up to 90 degrees, convenient for storage in a backpack or purse. Custom oversized 6mm dynamic drivers produce high-resolution sound, while the onboard ActiveLife K20 noise-canceling system allows you to listen to your music with extended high frequencies, up to 40 kHz for outstanding clarity and detail. These headphones boast the ability to reduce ambient noise by as much as 90%, thanks to 4 built-in ANC microphones and a digital algorithm for active noise cancellation. As a result, hybrid active noise cancellation can detect and of course cancel a wider range of low and medium frequency noise, such as aircraft engines and cars. Also, that exclusive bass-up technology performs real-time low-frequency analysis to instantly boost bass output. Our advice is to press the play button twice when listening to genres like EDM and hip-hop for an enhanced listening experience. Furthermore, the device offers up to 40 hours of continuous playback in wireless active noise cancellation mode at 60% volume, which extends to a whopping 60 hours in standard music mode. One charge gives you enough juice to listen to over 600 songs or more soundtracks for long-haul flights. And when you're in a rush, charge the Life K20 active noise-canceling headphones for just 5 minutes and listen to content for 4 hours. Anker Soundcore Life Q20 offers maximum comfort and a secure seal, making them ideal for working at home, attending online lectures, or traveling. For the listed price, a killer deal. If you're looking for lighter, more comfortable, and practical headphones, and you want to save a few dollars at the same time, of course, your ideal fit is the Jabra Moves Style Edition, the best lightweight budget wireless headphones available on the market in 2021. With a weight of only 5.3 ounces, the Jabra Moves Style Edition takes things to the next level compared to its predecessor. The new headphones have a larger battery and improved audio options. The product comes with a metal frame and a soft pad on the headphones and headband. The right earphone has the ability to switch and use a micro USB charging port, while the left has volume and playback controls and a 3.5mm jack for wired connection. Also, the powered switch has Bluetooth and battery status indicator lights. We found the controls easy to use and convenient. There's also a small microphone on the right ear cup for hands-free function. A dialer located on the edge of the right headset allows you to turn the headset on or off, but also to start Bluetooth pairing. The headphones are equipped with multi-point connectivity. Furthermore, the headset remembers the last 2 connected devices and automatically reconnects the next time you use it. The manufacturer guarantees 14 hours of battery life on a single charge, which is more than solid. As for the sound, it's balanced with accentuated bass. You don't have to turn up the volume to enjoy your music, and even when you do turn up the volume, distortion remains low across the spectrum with a communication delay of 130 ms. The Jabra Moves Style Edition comes in elegant black, and although very light, boasts a durable Scandinavian design. The product comes in the size of 7 by 3.09 by 8.06 inches. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Up next, meet the Anker Soundcore Life Q30, the best noise-canceling budget wireless headphones you can find on the market in 2021. These puppies are quite comfortable, equipped with a long-lasting fast-charging battery and versatile sound adjustments. They can significantly improve the basic bass sound with a rather muted low-frequency response. The transparency mode also provides significant added value, while the external mode with adaptive noise reduction is particularly impressive given the significant reduction of complex noise sources. The Anker Soundcore Life K30 headphones are elegantly designed with rounded cups, each with the Anker Soundcore logo in reflective gold. They are mostly made of plastic with a metal headband. The headband expands with a positive click, and you only need to stretch it a little to fit your head size. The inside of each cup is clearly marked with typical left and right letters that indicate the correct side. Once squeezed over your ears, you'll immediately notice a perfect fit that completely covers your ears without feeling too tight. The Soundcore Life Q30 anchors can rotate more than 90 degrees for comfortable use, making their holster thinner than most other similar brands. The headset also has an uncovered USB-C charging port and is charged with the included USB-A to USB-C cable and dual USB-C cable, which is not always the case. The left handset has a USB-C charging port, power switch, LED status, and noise cancel button. Also included in the mix is an active noise canceling microphone. The LED status light glows red during charging and turns off when the battery is fully charged. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the onboard 720 mAh battery. The right handset has a 3.5mm audio input for wired connection, a multifunction button for playback and volume control. Below is another ANC microphone, as well as a phone call microphone. There are 3 different levels of ANC, adjustable through the Anker Soundcore app. Indoor and outdoor modes also work quite well. Indoor mode tries to dampen mid-range voices and frequencies, while the outdoor mode reduces ambient noise and has been shown to be particularly effective in reducing wind noise. Decent ANC headphones on a budget are a rarity, so it's very impressive to have 3 modes adapted to different situations that successfully contain external noise. Additionally, because they have more than 44 hours of uninterrupted battery life, it can take several business days or a long trip before they need to be charged. Nice one. If when buying wireless budget headphones, you want the longest possible playback time and battery capacity, your ideal match is the Jabra Elite 45H. Jabra estimates that the battery on the Elite 45H model can last about 50 hours, which is more than great. It should be noted that the results will vary depending on the set volume. You can also recharge an extra 10 hours of battery life in just 15 minutes, which is pretty good. The Jabra Elite 45H in-ear headphones aren't particularly fancy. No noise suppression, ambient sound mode, or fitness features, but what they do, they work reliably, with exceptional battery life on the budget. The headphones use an app with an adjustable equalizer and a number of useful features, as some of the great and more expensive Jabra models. They have cushions made of quality memory foam, covered with artificial leather. The lower part of the headphone holder also has a cushion made of a rubber material that allows the cups to sit comfortably on the head during long wear. Perforations on artificial leather look good, but also mark the left and right shell. Inside the headphones, the 40mm drivers deliver a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. For volume and song selection, there's a button for using the voice assistant and muting on the other side of the panel. Through this button, you can activate Siri on iOS devices or Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant on other devices. The headphones deliver a powerful low-frequency response. At the highest volume, which is not recommended, the low tones have no distortion, and at medium volume, the bass is still strong enough and balanced with high frequencies. At higher volumes, digital signal processing controls bass well without disturbing the overall sound signature. The microphone offers excellent clarity with little or no distortion due to Bluetooth. The microphone's signal is very strong and even has a partial low-frequency response. There is also a reduction in the wind or ambient noise, so clarity should be great, even when using the headphones outdoors. Thumbs up for sure. After all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have unanimously come to the conclusion that Sennheiser HD350BT are the best overall budget wireless headphones that can be found on the market in 2021. The headphones tilt and turn and are foldable, which makes them easy to carry and flexibly adapt to the shape of your head. The grip is not loose but quite firm. Since the cups are oval in shape at an angle, the top-notch upholstery of artificial leather fits snugly in the ears, reducing environmental noise. In terms of power, the practical size of these headphones offers an outstanding 45-hour operating time at slightly elevated levels, so that even long journeys are easy to handle. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge a lithium polymer battery via a USB-C connection, and the appropriate charging cable from USB-C to USB-A is included with the accessories. The HD350BT is advertised with deep dynamic bass, and that's right. The well-rounded and slightly lively bass abounds in volume and considerable depth, which makes listening to bass music fun. At the same time, the low-frequency range does not seem overloaded but is compact, well-defined, and brilliantly fast. The mid-range reproduction is equally precise with pronounced clarity, Voices sound pleasantly vivid and authentic, and movies and spoken content also benefit from this feature. In our opinion, it seems that the high levels are set quite smoothly, which is a bonus for sensitive ears because even at high levels there is no sharp sound. In addition, the soundstage looks very clean and does not give a feeling of impermeability, but instead provides a feeling of spaciousness and openness. In conclusion, Sennheiser HD 350BT wireless headphones have impressive battery life and support high-quality AAC and aptX audio codecs. You won't have to sacrifice synchronicity or miss the quality sound experience with great bass reproduction while playing and watching movies thanks to aptX's low latency. You'll get a top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. The best. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.